Hey, I see that you have pressed the join option on my channel. Firstly, a big thank you for even pressing that join option. It means a lot to me. Secondly, I'll talk about the different membership plans that are there on my channel. Before I disclose that, I wanted to share across something that I had in mind. It was back in November 2017 that I started this YouTube channel. I wanted to create videos on data science and machine learning. Very little did I know that my channel would grow in such huge amount. So the channel membership option for this particular channel is as simple as it gets. If I've ever made a significant impact to your data science, machine learning, data analytics journey, feel free to pick up any membership option that you see on my channel. At this point of time, I don't have any plans of creating member specific content. I want the content to be easily accessible by all of you watching my videos. So if you feel like supporting my channel in whatever extent that you can, feel free to check out any of the membership option that is viable to you and go forward with it. This is all that I had in mind for the membership option as well. Thank you so much for all your support that you've given to my channel so far. I hope to continue making videos on data science and machine learning easily accessible to all of you. Thanks again for all the support that you've given me.